Let's dive right into this explainer on comprehensive labels, printing, and packaging solutions by Maharshi. Look, if you're working hard to get physical products onto store shelves, you already know that packaging is literally your brand's very first impression. Today, we are looking at Maharshi Labels Pvt. Limited based out of Ahmedabad, India. They are a state-of-the-art, true one-stop destination for basically all of your B2B packaging and labeling needs.
5 million. Yeah, you heard that right. That is the sheer number of labels Maharshi is pumping out every single day. When you're dealing with massive global supply chains, you absolutely need a partner who prevents production bottlenecks, right? Well, this kind of daily capacity proves, without a doubt, that they can handle high-volume demands effortlessly.
And it doesn't stop there. Add to that 5 tons of flexible packaging output daily. 5 tons. Between those millions of labels and tons of flexible packaging, Maharshi clearly possesses the serious infrastructural backbone required to support massive commercial rollouts. So, you might be wondering, how do they actually hit those massive numbers while maintaining high-definition quality? Well, it's all about their advanced printing technology. They're utilizing an 8-color Roto Gravure alongside a combined 8-color Servo Flexo plus a 10-color Flexo press. What that means for you is incredible color depth and precision, ensuring your brand's colors pop exactly as intended. But printing is really just the start. To give a brand's packaging a premium, competitive edge on the shelf, Maharshi offers some highly specialized finishing techniques. We're talking hot and cold multifoil stamping, rotary screen printing, tactile embossing, and intricate die cutting. This is the stuff that transforms a standard label into a truly premium experience for the consumer.
Now, material choice is absolutely crucial. It's like picking the right foundation. Maharshi offers cost-effective paper labels with high-gloss, semi-gloss, and metallic finishes for that high visual impact. But what if you need extreme durability? That's where their filmic labels come in. Made from polypropylene or polyethylene, they are heavy-duty, water and temperature-resistant, and perfectly flexible for squeezable tubes that need to bend without the label peeling off.
And moving beyond standard labels, their flexible packaging formats literally adapt to practically any physical product requirement you can think of. They manufacture shrink sleeves, wraparound BOPP labels, multi-layer laminates, and those highly popular stand-up and spout pouches. These are especially ideal for food and home care markets, mostly due to their sheer convenience and much lower shipping weights.
The really cool thing is that Maharshi isn't locked into just one niche. They have engineered materials specifically designed to withstand unique environmental challenges across a massive range of sectors. We're talking cosmetics, personal care, home care, all the way to incredibly harsh agrochemicals.
Because, let's face it, different industries require highly specialized applications. In pharmaceuticals, that means precise vial labels and strict track and trace systems. Food and beverage uses standout pearlized labels and spout pouches. The liquor market relies heavily on premium, embossed and foiling labels, while lubricant oils require incredibly durable, variable data labels that can survive contact with harsh chemicals.
Section 10, Advanced Security and Brand Protection. Okay, let's shift gears for a second and get a little serious. In today's market, your packaging must act as an essential insurance policy against supply chain fraud and counterfeiting.
So how does Maharshi combat these threats? With some cutting-edge anti-counterfeiting offerings. They use tamper-evident seals and go even further with digitally secured QR codes and non-clonable secure graphic labels. This whole setup ensures product authenticity and protects your brand integrity by allowing complete traceability right through the supply chain.
Bringing it all together, we have the core differentiators, or what they call the Maharshi advantage: unmatched durability, limitless customization, innovative technology, strict industry compliance, and true end-to-end solutions. Really, they're positioned as the ultimate, reliable partner for procurement heads and brand managers who need scale but refuse to sacrifice quality. Which brings us to a final, pretty provocative question for you to think about. Is your product's packaging working as hard as you are to protect and elevate your brand? If you are worried about shelf presence or supply chain security, it might just be time to evaluate your current standards and consider upgrading. Thanks so much for joining this explainer on Maharshi's capabilities. We'll see you next time.